Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this little, this works car dustbuster, if you will. It does seemingly plug right into the outlet in your car, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to test this thing out and see how she works. Alright, so it is on. It is sucking. It's not super loud, but it does seem to get the job done. Okay. So there's several attachments that this thing has. And you can see there's just a little piece of glass right there. Let's see if I can pick that up. It did suck it up. That's nice. You can see it actually sitting in the top of the thing. Really gets in here good. And it does come with various attachments. This little attachment right here is going to allow us to really get into the seat a little deeper. So I've gone ahead, slid it in, and let's get into that seat. Okay, there we go. Let's get down into this crevice, the crevice tool that really works. Now, let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. Got some sand and powder in the cup holder. You know what that's about. It is getting it out quite a bit. It looks like it's dried in there. But this little guy is getting it out, and we do appreciate that. Up here. It's getting it as well. Another part of the crevice tool, you can see the dirty old brake. Parking brake, folks. Let's get in there and clean it out a little bit, huh? So the fact that it gets in there and gets some of that stuff is a real treat. Alright folks, so pretty fantastic little device. Now what else does this thing have? Now you can take the tip off. I have to do it one-handed here folks, I apologize. Take the tip off again. And now we've got an entire hose that you can use and you can put on there, as well as a brush. So now this guy, on top of having a really long cable, so you got plenty of room to get around a large vehicle inside and out, but we're going to be able to use it to vacuum. It's like a little vacuum cleaner. Alright, so that's pretty fantastic, and that brush is going to let you get into the little crevices and crook of the seat and things of the sort. So really a fantastic product. Okay. Now with that, you can also just take the brush and put it straight to the end of the vacuum itself. Oop. Again, doing it one-handed here, folks. So you can just slide this in and vacuum accordingly. So not too loud, easy to empty. You just lift right here and the whole thing will come out. And a nice little product.